Hey everybody, this is Andy with Fat Man's Garage. Have a couple 1960 Thunderbirds that are parts cars. So just wanted this one here is partially disassembled already. Give you a chance to look around on this. I've got a bunch of parts off this car already listed. I'll include a link in our description. Here's the next one getting ready to come apart, bullet holes and all. One of them had the 390, the other had the 430, I think it was. So everybody check these out and let me know what kind of parts you might be looking for. I'll include a link to the to our list of parts there. That way you'll be able to see stuff we've already got listed, but I've got a ton of things we've not gotten a chance to get to yet. So I've got glass, I got some seats, center consoles. You can see a dash inside this one. This one here, most of the parts are already listed on it. Have the 352. I think the 352 parts available out of this one. This one's got the 430, I think it is. Don't quote me on those. I'll have parts listed for those as well. Just let me know what you're looking for.